Good morning, everybody. I decided to turn my camera on once I'm on the water. Today, I'm hopeful for this first spot. It was good to me in practice. Stay down. Stay down. Don't jump. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Not the terrible one. Pretty good, actually. $16. Number one. Stay down. Son of a God, man. I'm not fishing clean today. Just not fishing clean. There we go. No need to do anything crazy here. I don't know if he's 14, but I'll take him right now. He's not 14, but just my confidence, you know. Come on. All right, hopefully I don't lose so many fish. Spot number 2. Good bass. Easy does it. Easy does it. Easy does it. Oh, all right. Pinky toe worm, man, coming clutch today. That's way bigger than I thought. Come on, chill out. Chill out. Yeah. Long, skinny guy. Okay, guys, that took a long time, but 17 1/4, nice fish. Oh, got a nice one. Come on, come on. Yes! Let's go. Freaking pinky toe. That's big fish of the day, too. Pretty sure. Maybe not. Might not be as big as the last one, actually. Think you onto that? Pliers. Not taking any chances today. That's what I'm talking about. We found a little something at the end here. Another one, nice one. Pinky toe savior of the day. 17, 34, 50 inches. For the online tournament I was doing, I got 4 17-inch fish now. That's cool. They want the pinky toe though. Still got 2 hours too, so anything can happen. I went not catching jack all day to that one's even bigger. Oh my gosh. Oh yes! Oh, let's go! Oh my gosh! Oh, that's the one I've been looking for, man. Heck yeah! Heck yeah! Let's go! Come on! Look at that one! Yes! Barely had him hooked too. And he took my worm. That's right though. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Good. Alright. Big fish of the day. Nice one. Thank you. And now we're having fun. Now we're having fun. That'd be worth going towards now, though. Sure, it's going to take 60 inches to get money, but come on. Hello. Oh, dang it. Didn't work him in fast enough. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes. Dude, that was insane. That was the most crazy catch I think I've ever had. That bass must have jumped 3 feet out of the water. It's 15 and a half, but this might be the psycho-ist bass I've ever seen. Doing something like that right now. little guy. I don't think he'll even measure. I was looking for. Stay still. No. Bad. Another one. Oh gosh. Get in here. There's that gust they were talking about. Holy crap.
Hours come hang out with you for a couple hours. So thank you. Thank you to the directors who ran alongside of us or with us or however we want to word that. But it is awesome to be able to travel and see everybody come together under one umbrella and just have fun and win a lot of money. The same thing happens when we go to Tennessee. We get 4 or 5 clubs that jump in.
We're to see if Tyler wins some money.
And it's working really well.
So Tyler did not end up getting into the money. He came close with a 20 and a quarter, but unfortunately, big fish of the tournament was caught that last hour when he caught his. So just one of those things. But all of us caught one over 18 during the trip, and 3 of us caught one during the tournament itself. So pretty nice time. So just a little B-roll as I finish up the video. I ended up in 37th place out of 117 anglers, which is my best finish yet at a national level event. And then I got 20th place in the state level event simultaneously. I had a better finish than that last year, funny enough, than I did in the national one. So all in all, for how many fish I missed, I'm pretty happy with the result. I can't complain, especially when you're catching fish all day. I had, I think, 3 or 4 non-keepers along with the 7 keepers I caught. So any day you catch that many fish in a tournament's great. And I think if I came back to Guntersville, I would kind of know what to do this time of year. And I definitely eliminated some spots where I'm thinking I just don't need to go to these spots in the future. I kind of know there's fish at these spots, and there's always got to be because of the conditions. And I can try some new water for the tournament next time I do one. So thanks for tuning in, and be on the lookout for our next video, which will be another tournament at East Harbor. And that's usually a big one. It's where I've caught my biggest 3 fish limit, and hopefully repeating that, but this time with a win. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one.